So I had a bit of a false start this morning. I was going to post my Pac-Man clone, and then I looked at it, and I thought that really does look like Pac-Man. And I had a look, and it looks like they actually enforce copyright on that thing. So I've pulled down the Pac-Man clone, put that to one side for a minute, and I'm going to come back to that. I have to make it not like Pac-Man at all because I think mine was too close. Anyway, so that's one side. I've been working on another project. This has taken a while to do. So I've made a clone of 3D Battlezone. If anybody can remember what Battlezone was. Battlezone was a isometric, 3D vector tank game that appeared in the arcade. You had two levers and you could press the top to fire things. And you're in this strange sort of, I don't know, vectorized world. And this was really interesting. It's still out there. I think Rebellion still own the copyright to it. But the original game, someone's disassembled the ROM and it's up in public archive and everything like that. So I don't feel so bad. I've not called it Battlezone, obviously I've called it Omarchy. But because the ROM's up there and disassembled, you could actually, I used AI to pull out the vector shapes. So it could disassemble the ROM itself and it actually pulled out the right shapes for the tanks. I mean, there's not many objects in the game. There's a tank, basic tank. There's a super tank. There's a missile and a space and a saucer. And the idea was to survive as long as you can. And I remember playing it in the arcades. It was green. I mean, obviously with this, the one I've made, the version is basically matches the themes in Omarchy. So if you put up a glowy theme, I'll do that in a second when we go on here. I'll change the theme to something that's got glowy whatevers. And then we can have a look at it. But no, I mean, it was just an interesting thing because it's doing it in Lua 2D. It's a 3D game in 2D. So it's all about making it look, the perspectives look correct. I think I've got there. It's not 100%. It's all right. It's got as much as I can sort of get in there with it to make it look like it's realistic or a good clone of the original. But it was a bit of fun. It was really interesting finding out there's people out there who've literally archived. This game's 45 years old. 40 years old. So people have archived the ROMs. They've taken them to pieces. There's bits in there. I mean, there's been loads of other versions since, but the only thing I'm interested in is like the original, the absolute original version of the game. But anyway, so it's up on the website and all that sort of business. I'll jump across and we'll show you. I'll do the install and then you can see it play and then have a go. I'm still going to do, I've got Lunar Lander that I was going to have a go at as well. But I need to get back to Pac-Man. That was just too close to the original. It was just because Pac-Man's so well documented that when you look at it, you think, oh yeah, it's fine, it's out there, it's been out there for years. But it looks like Namco Bandicoot, they still pursue copyright on it. So it's like, you can't eat, every bit of it's copywritten. So, but foolish one, false trigger that. Pressed it, went, oh yeah, that's fine. Then I had a look, I thought, actually, that's too close to the original. So I pulled that. I may redesign the maze. I know there's other versions of it. But anyway, let's just jump in and we'll have a look at Battlezone or Omarchy, as it's now called. And it'll be up at the gate and you can have a play with it. Anyway, so let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in Omarchy. And basically, to turn my phone off, all we need to do is go to the website. So Super Shift B, head on over to the website. And if you scroll down, you'll see that we've got Omarchy. Click on that, takes you over to the repo, the Get. Now in here, I'll put some notes as well. So like all the actual model shapes, as I said, all the model shapes are extracted from the original ROM. Really easy to install. All the commands are here. And how you do it. So let's just pull that out. Launch a terminal. Paste that in there. And then it's in. Now you can uninstall it there with Omarchy uninstalled from command line. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so let's just have a look at it. As I said, it's like theme specific. So go OMA tank. Here we are. Enter. And here we are in the game. Where's the tank? It should pop up in the right. There it is. Gotcha. Another one. Oh. Got that one. I think there's a volcano in the original. I haven't got that in here. Oh, what's going on here? Now, apparently if you spin, it's better than got busted. Anyway, so let's come out. Let's just change the theme, see how that works. Style, theme, and let's just get Hacker Man. Quite a mad theme. Enter. So now we've got changed, the colours have changed on it. Enemy to the left. Sugar, here we go. Another one. Oh, there you go. Hours of fun. Again, another moment where I spent. Now it's got all the stuff in it. So, oh sugar, it's got me. It's got all the stuff in it. So if you sit still, it'll drop a missile on you. Where's it gone? There it is. And then there's the saucer. It's flying saucer. And there's also, if you get to a certain level, you'll get super tanks. Oh man, it's just as hard as it was the original. It's just really hard as well. Oh, no good. That's hard. It's supposed to spin, apparently. That's the quickest way to turn. There you go. All right, let's just do one more theme, see what happens with another theme on here. Style, beam, azure glow. Let's try that. On the tank. What colours are we going to get this time? Here we go. Enter to start. Interesting. Now that's made interesting. So not all the themes may work for you. Oops. Oh, they are there, but they're very faint on that one. Picking out the colours. Let's try another theme. What have we got? Azure glow, arc blueberry. So we get from that. Oh, that's nice. So you can. That's a nice one. You can pick your. I'm not going to get shot. He's behind me. Where is he? Where is he? There. Jeez. Now it's also got the ability to switch to the actual old arcade style. Well, that's right beside me. That was behind me. There was no way I was going to get that. Anyway. Back to me. There you go. So Battlezone, but not called Battlezone, called Omarchy. There's another retro game there. It is interesting having a look back. I mean, I grew up with these things. And as I said, I spent ages in arcades playing these games. But it's wonderful now that people have done like preservation projects where they've got the original ROMs from the games and they put them up and you can have a look at them. And things back then when that game came out, it was like the future. You know, it was really exciting to look at. Now, I believe as well that you could do certain things in the cabinet, so dip switches and stuff like this, you could switch on to give extra lives at different levels. It's amazing how far it's come, hasn't it? Games technology. You look at like, I don't know, Arc Raiders or Armour or something that's more tank-based compared to that. But that was all we had. And that was like completely, you know, you just want to play it. The other vector one I found, and I don't know how popular it was Tempest. I've had a go at that as well, so I'll see. But I have to keep looking at the licensing regulations. I don't want to broach copyright. Just trying to do like something that can play and have a bit of fun. I mean, I don't think that Atari would ever release Tempest back on the market, but Rebellion owns the Rebellion Games owns the rights to Battlezone. So, but this is purely based off that original one, and it's just for fun. So have a play. Let me know what you think, and see if you can let me know what your high scores are. Anyway, thanks for watching.